Finding the best affordable toaster oven can feel tricky when you just want something simple that works every day. The best affordable toaster oven is one that heats fast, cooks evenly, and fits your kitchen without costing too much. I've tried a few in real kitchens, from small apartments to busy family homes, and I've learned what actually matters over time. Let me share what I've learned so you can choose the right one with confidence. And all product links in description. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. Number 5. Black Plus Decker Convection Toaster Oven. The Black Plus Decker Convection Toaster Oven feels like a strong pick if you want an affordable toaster oven with more cooking flexibility. I noticed it handles bigger meals better, which is helpful for small families or busy weeknights. The convection feature helps food cook more evenly, especially for baking or roasting. One standout here is the 8 one-touch modes, making it easy to switch between meals without guessing settings. Another useful feature is the dual rack positions, giving you more room to cook different foods at once. It feels roomy and works well for pizzas, toast, and leftovers. The controls are simple, so it does not feel overwhelming. The only downside is it takes up more counter space than smaller models. Still, for daily cooking with more options, it offers great value and comfort. Number 4. Dash Mini Toaster Oven Aqua. The Dash Mini Toaster Oven Aqua is a cute and simple pick if you want an affordable toaster oven for very small spaces. I found it perfect for quick toast or small snacks when you don't need a full-size oven at all. The design feels light and stylish, which fits nicely in dorm rooms, RV setups, or tight US countertops. One thing I really like is the compact space saver, making it easy to move and store without effort. Another helpful feature is the removable tray clean, so cleanup stays quick and simple after every use. It heats up fast and works well for single servings, like mini pizza, cookies, or toast. The controls are basic, which makes it easy for anyone to use without stress. The only downside is the small capacity, so it won't handle larger meals. Still, for solo use, it feels cozy and reliable every day. Number 3. Hamilton Beach Easy Reach Toaster Oven. The Hamilton Beach Easy Reach Toaster Oven is a smart choice if you want an affordable toaster oven with easy access. I really like how the door lifts up instead of pulling down, which keeps the counter clean. The standout is the roll-top door lift, making it simple to grab food without hassle. It fits a small pizza, so it works well for quick meals and snacks. The controls are simple and easy to learn. It may feel basic, but that also makes it stress-free to use every day. Number 2. Elite Gourmet 4-Slice Toaster Oven. The Elite Gourmet 4-Slice Toaster Oven is a simple pick for anyone wanting an affordable toaster oven without spending much. It feels light and easy to use, which I liked for quick snacks and toast. The size is compact, so it fits well in small kitchens or dorm spaces. One helpful feature is the 30-minute timer control, which keeps cooking simple and stress-free. You also get the 200 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit control, giving decent range for baking or reheating. It works well for basic meals, though the power is lower, so cooking can take a bit longer. Still, for tight budgets and daily use, it gets the job done. Number 1. Breville Mini Smart Toaster Oven. The Breville Mini Smart Toaster Oven feels like a calm, reliable pick for anyone hunting an affordable toaster oven for daily use. It heats fast and cooks evenly, which I noticed right away when making toast and small pizzas. The size is compact, so it fits well in small US kitchens or tight countertops without feeling crowded. One thing I love is the fast 1800-watt heat, which saves time on busy mornings. Another standout is the 8 cook modes, giving you simple options without confusion. The controls are clear, and the LCD makes it easy to switch between tasks. It works great for quick meals, snacks, and light baking. The only downside is the smaller interior, which may not suit large family meals. Still, for simple cooking and daily comfort, it does its job very well. Final verdict. If you want the best overall balance of quality, performance, and daily ease, I personally recommend the Breville Mini Smart Toaster Oven. It feels reliable, cooks evenly, and fits well in most kitchens without taking too much space. It's a great choice if you want something that just works every time. If you're on a tight budget or need something simple for light use, the Elite Gourmet 4-slice toaster oven is a smart pick. It covers the basics and keeps things easy without costing much. Check the description for current prices and more details, and pick the one that fits your style and needs best.